I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to enjoy some peace and quiet from Venmo notifications, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select Notifications. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Notifications. This will take you to the section where you can manage all notification settings. Step 4. Adjust notification preferences. Here, you can toggle off the notifications you don't want to receive. You can turn off alerts for payments requests and more. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your preferences, make sure to save your changes if prompted. This ensures that your new settings take effect. Remember, if you accidentally toggle off something important, you can always come back to this section to adjust it again. Enjoy your quieter Venmo experience.